In this problem, we're going to use our calculator to evaluate several logarithmic functions and round our answers to two decimal places. For example, the first function is simply log x, or x is going to be 6. So f of 6 means to replace x with 6, giving us the log of 6. So press the on key on your calculator, locate the log button, which is right here, and press it. Type in 6, type in right parenthesis, and then enter. To two decimal places, I'm going to round that second digit up since the 8 is 5 or bigger. So I'm going to get 0.78. Type that into this cell. Written as an ordered pair, the notation is left parenthesis, that's shift 9. Our input was 6, comma. The output was 0.78, right parenthesis. The next problem is g of x equals 5 log x, but in this case we're supposed to be finding g of 8, so x is 8. So that would be 5 times the log of 8, so simply type in 5 log 8, right parenthesis, enter. To two digits, it would be, well, not two digits, but two decimal places, it's going to be 4.52. I'm going to round the 1 to a 2 since the next digit is 5 or greater. So I'm going to type in 4.52. As an ordered pair, same thing as before, left parenthesis, the input was 8, comma, the output was 4.52, right parenthesis. On to the next problem. This is going to be h of x, where we're replacing x with 7. Replacing x with 7, you'd have log of 7 to the 9th power. So I'm going to type it in just how it would look. I'm going to type in log 7, right parenthesis, raised to the 9th power. Press enter. Just so that you know the difference between putting the 9 on the inside of the parentheses versus the outside, what happens is, because the 9 is on the outside of the parentheses, what's happening is the log of 7 is being evaluated first, and then that is being raised to the 9th power. To show you this, I'm going to type in log of 7. I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to raise that to the 9th power to show you get the same answer as before. You get 0.219, which we're going to round to 0.22. So basically, by putting the 9 on the outside of the parentheses, the logarithm is evaluated first, and then all of that's raised to the 9th power. So my answer was 0.22. As an ordered pair, left parenthesis, the input was 7, comma, the output was 0.22. Last problem, I'm supposed to find p of t, where t is 3. Replacing t with 3 would be the log of 3 divided by the log of 2. Now on the calculator, it won't be written vertically like this, it'll be written horizontally. I want to type in log. My input's normally t, but they replaced t with 3, so I'm going to press 3. Cap off the parenthesis, and we're going to divide that by the log of 2 since that was given in the problem. So log 2, cap off that right parenthesis. So log 3 divided by log 2 is written horizontally as opposed to vertically here. I'm going to press enter. Round to two decimal places, not two digits. So I'm actually going to get 3 digits out of this. It's going to be 1.58, which, to make the distinction, is 3 digits, but it's two decimal places. A decimal place is a digit to the right of the decimal. So finally, in point notation, my input was 3, comma, my output was 1.58, and right parenthesis. And if you submit this, you should get it right.